Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and tools, because an interrupted reset can brick the phone. Once charged to at least 30%, you power the Galaxy J2 Prime off. Make sure you use the original USB cable if connecting to a PC later. Then, press and hold power plus volume up together until the Samsung logo appears. This boots you into recovery. You do this to bypass the Android UI and access the factory reset utilities directly, which is the only reliable path here. Once in recovery, you navigate with the volume keys because touch is disabled there. Use power to select. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. This erases user data and returns system settings to stock. Confirm by choosing Yes, delete all user data. Be patient as the process runs. The system reports progress and will display data wipe complete. After that, you select Reboot System Now to restart into a fresh setup. This ensures caches are cleared and the firmware boots cleanly. You finish by setting up the device or verifying that the reset worked. Follow on-screen prompts to add Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account. If the phone hangs on the Samsung logo, boot back into recovery and wipe the cache partition, then reboot. This often fixes boot loops. If factory reset protection blocks access, you must sign in with the previously synced Google account. Otherwise, contact Samsung service. If hardware faults persist, consider an authorized repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.